Alright everyone, just out for a walk. You can see just getting some time in with my backpack. And I wanted to make a video on how to hold hiking poles, because I just always see people doing it wrong. Not to shame anyone, right? Like, you don't know unless you know. So like, a lot of people will just put this strap down here and then just grip it, or they won't use the strap at all. What you want to do with the strap here is, if the strap is down like that, you're going to put your hand into the strap, right, the strap over your wrist, and then that part of the strap where it joins the pole there, you're gonna use that to push yourself uphill, like, or downhill, whatever. That way you're not fatiguing your hands. It's just a natural motion, right? That I could completely let go of that pole, as you can see, and like I can still get it. So it makes it much more natural that way. I will say, when I'm picking hiking poles, this is a one-way pole. I like it quite a lot. It's carbon. My number one choice is one of a predetermined length, or a non-adjustable pole. I have the Black Diamond Rhythm poles. Love those, use those all the time. My second choice is to look for an external cam, right? So if you want the adjustable pole, which probably is best for beginners, this external cam is huge. If you have like the internal twist, it's eventually going to get loose, and one day you're going to be hiking, bam, the pole collapses under you. I've had this happen to me in the Sierras, and it really fucking sucked, because we were traversing quite technical terrain and it was snowy, and it was just really annoying. And now I'm carrying this pole out because I want to leave no trace, and it's useless to me. So these little pop detents, I guess, they always work, but external cam, not internal lock. Carbon is nice. I think it absorbs some of the shock, but aluminium is fine. And I think Cascade Mountain make a pretty good cheap option. These are one ways, they're very nice, they're very fancy. I like them quite a bit. I don't need the baskets because I'm not in snow or sand, but those are things to look for, and that's how I would hold a hiking pole.